Hi, good day. This is Jose Hooker here in Ocala, and I'm about to show you this beautiful home, all the features that we have put into this nice house. So let's get started. First of all, let's look at the elevation. Beautiful elevation on this property. Double windows on the first room and also in the living room, okay? Nice garden for your enjoyment, for those folks who like to have some garden features in the house. The next feature is stone on your elevation. Beautiful stone. All right. You want to come inside? Come inside with me. Inside we have a nice layout. This is a 3-2 home under 1,500 square feet. And the first thing that we see is the open concept that we have put into this layout. You see this massive living room / family room where you can enjoy and create memories for your family. Double window, as I mentioned, is a nice feature where that allows a lot of sunlight to come into the property, which is awesome. Another nice feature of this property is the kitchen. We have put a lot of thought and investment into this kitchen with nice counters, first of all. Nice quartz counters. This is very top of the line counters. Nice and top of the line appliances as well. These are all Samsung appliances. Another nice feature that we have put into this kitchen is the double color cabinets. As you see, we have white cabinets on top and a nice gray color on the bottom. Another nice feature is these cabinets are not your normal cabinets, they're soft close. That's a nice feature as well. Another feature is the exhaust. A lot of the builders do not do this for you, so this is very important. If you open this is an exhaust. Anything that you're cooking over here, this microwave will take it out the property. So I'm going to take you to the secondary rooms for a minute and you'll see this nice layout. So here on this side of the property you have two rooms. They're about 10 by 11, these two rooms. And they both share this beautiful bathroom. You see nice tiles over here. These are nice tiles, rectangular tiles, all the way to the ceiling with a nice window for sunlight. This is a nice feature to have. Continue with nice quartz counters. First room, we have placed two windows over here for your enjoyment, and each window has window, as I call it. So if you guys take a closer look, these are nice features to have in the window. Over to the other side of the property. Oh, by the way, there's hardwood floors all throughout. Hardwood floors all throughout, so you don't have to worry about spelling on the carpet or nothing like that. We have the owner's room on this side. This is about 11 by 12. 11 by 12, nice size. Again, hardwood floor. Oh, I forgot to mention, nice with baseboards. These are nice baseboards, about 6 inches tall. We take it to the bathroom. This is the owner's room with two sinks. Once again, nice counters. This is the shower. It's a stand-up shower. Once again, beautiful tiles. So if you guys look at that, beautiful tiles. Once again, a window. We have placed a window in the shower as well. Nice garage with a garage motor already. So you know that sometimes you have too much stuff and you need to put it away, maybe like a storage room, but you don't want to have something that's super big, or you don't want to pay for a storage facility. Okay? I got the solution for you. We have placed a storage room in this nice layout. This is about 3 by 7. Okay? Nice space where you can put, you can store items. And it's all under the air conditioner. So this room is air conditioned. Some people call it a dog room. I call it a storage room. So either one. Okay? We still have some more features to review. So you come outside. Right here is where you do the grilling for a Super Bowl party. So this lot where we're sitting is about a third of an acre. Spacious. You have plenty of space between your neighbors. And we have also placed a sprinkler system, so you don't have to worry about water in your yard. In addition to that, we have placed safety lights on the perimeter of the house. If you can just showcase that for me. See that? Those are motion sensors, so when you walk by automatically they turn on. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you ever have any questions about this property here in Ocala, address is 203 Marion Minor in Ocala, Florida. Please contact me. 407-272-6986 is my cell phone, and you can be sure that I will pick up the phone or text me.